Hey man, this thing is crazy. Kling O1 is the first unified video model. That means instead of juggling separate tools for generation, editing, restyling, and scene extension, everything happens inside one system. You describe what you want, Kling understands the full context, and it gives you a cinematic shot that actually feels like video. I mean, this thing is fast, it's flexible, and I'm not even gonna lie. It actually feels like you're directing your own videos, not prompting them. And before I forget, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling O1 generations for everyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plan before December 7th. This is no exaggeration, guys. It's the cheapest unlimited video generation deal on the market right now. All right, let me show you how this thing works. So right here, you have the main interface, and this is where the magic happens. So we have our prompt box. Then up top, we can upload images and elements, and then we can also upload videos right here. Then Kling is gonna blend everything into one coherent shot. So first, Kling O1 handles the entire workflow in one place. So you can generate a scene, you can extend it, you can remove objects, restyle it, or completely change the mood without leaving the editor. Now let me show you what that looks like. So I have an image here of a woman, and I also added this image into my prompt box. And now I can say something like, use this image to generate an ultra cinematic shot of a woman walking down a futuristic street in Tokyo at night. Let's see, add neon lights or neon reflections, slow camera push in, and rain hitting the ground. Let's see what that looks like. So use this image to generate an ultra cinematic shot of a woman walking down a futuristic street in Tokyo at night. Add neon lights or neon reflections, slow camera push in, and rain hitting the ground. So let's see what it comes back with. Now I want to say that the prompt is somewhat spot on. I mean, you know, it did generate like the neon lights, and I think everything else is good. I mean, the only thing I don't see really is like the rain falling on the ground. But besides that, guys, I mean, I just think that this is really good because now we can start to build our story pacing. So let me show you what that looks like. So now I've added the video. I actually downloaded it and added it here in the prompt, as you can see. That way, Kling O1 knows what video to reference when I ask for these edits. So I can say something like, let's see, add people in the background with umbrellas walking around. Also add dramatic lighting and add neon fog. All right, guys, so this generation actually took a little bit longer than the original one. This one was about, took like 2 minutes to generate. This one, I want to say it took about close to 8 minutes, maybe even 10. But this actually blew my mind, guys, because check this out. You can now, this is the original image, right? As you can see here, so there's no people around. And when we go to this one, now you can see that there's people walking around with umbrellas. The lighting, I'm sorry. Well, I mean, you know, I don't see really a big difference here, to be honest. But it did include the neon fog that I asked. So this right here, guys, actually blew my mind. This is incredible that you can now edit videos by just talking to them. Kling O1 keeps track of characters, outfits, props, and environments, even across different angles. And it actually maintains the identity, like for example, the hair, the face, and also like the motion style, right? And this is something that creators have been begging for. So for example, I have here an image of a girl. I know it's hard to see, but she's picking cherry blossoms. And I actually added here in the prompt, and I'm gonna say something like, use this character and create a medium shot where the girl turns toward the camera as cherry blossoms fall behind her. Make sure to add soft cinematic lighting. Now, let's see what's going to come back with. All right, so this is what it came back with, guys. This is our character here standing by the blossom tree as the blossoms fall. Now, I can say something else, like for example, let me go ahead and delete this. Continue the moment as camera switches to a side profile as she starts laughing, and keep the same outfit and background. So as you can see, guys, this is what it came back with. Now, I gotta say, guys, that it is very consistent with the character and the motion here. It did exactly what I told it to do. So for example, here we have our character. This is the dress or the outfit that she has on. So it stayed on point with that. Also with the background here, as you can see, right? Like the blossom trees in the background. So it stayed spot on pretty much. With most AI video models, the more details you give it, the worse output you get. But with Kling O1, you can actually stack more instructions in one go. And surprisingly, it handles it very well. Let me show you. So I can say something like, add a small white dog next to her and turn this scene into an anime style. Keep the same camera movement, keep the same outfit and background. All right, let's see what it comes back with. So check it out. It came back with our white companion dog here. Let's go ahead and play it. So it very briefly showed the dog, but I mean, everything else, it pretty much stayed on point because look, it kept her outfit, the same camera movement, and the same background. Kling lets you upload up to 7 images and 1 video, so you can build a full cinematic moment starting from basically a mood board. Now, I have here 6 images that I uploaded. This is like a cafe style scene type thing. You know, it's kind of romantic, I guess. And I included my images in the prompt box. So I could say something like, use these images to generate a romantic scene in a cafe where the woman and the man sit looking at each other, smiling, holding hands, and the coffee mug is next to them with steam. Now, let's see what it comes back with. Okay, so this is our final video. Let's go ahead and take a look together. So I mean, I think it's pretty spot on. I would say that it pretty much hits everything that I asked it in the prompt. So we have the couple here. I mean, I don't really like the way the computer sits there in the book. I mean, okay. But we have the couple sitting here looking at each other smiling, just like I asked it in the prompt. They're also holding hands, and we have the coffee mug here blowing steam. So I would say that it's pretty spot on. You can restyle an entire shot with one click, and you get a fully reinterpreted version without regenerating from scratch. So I can say something like, transform this shot into a Studio Ghibli inspired style. Keep the same motion and composition. Now it didn't add it here, so let me go ahead and add that in there, and let's click on generate and see what it comes back with. All right, guys, so here we have our Ghibli style or inspired style video. Let's go ahead and take a look. So I think it's pretty spot on. I mean, it did remove like the laptop and the book. I mean, I think originally this is what it should have looked like from the get. And I mean, what can I say, guys? It just looks incredible. Kling O1 isn't just another video model. It's a complete creative engine. This is my first look at Higgsfield's Kling O1. If you want to check it out, I am going to leave a link in the description. And make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And remember, if you want to take advantage of the unlimited generations that Higgsfield is giving away until tomorrow, make sure to go ahead and do that right now. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.